Hi. I was thinking I was going to have to leave the house forever because Mrs. couldn't put up with my snoring anymore. So then, Mum, you show him this.
Yeah, you can show it.
But then, found these.
Show them how to use it.
Anti-snoring, so they say.
It's like a clip.
Anti-snoring devices. So, oh yeah, and you put it there. Very fashionable, don't you think? That's it.
But it will be just comfort like 3 to 5 days now.
Don't know.
And then you'll be used to it.
You've got to wear it about 15 minutes before you go to bed. And then you've got to try and, well...
So we're gonna tell you tomorrow if it works.
Yeah, okay.
Bye.
Bye.